and I'm excited to be back, and I'm excited to, to fix my life.
Priscilla Estrada balik Pilipinas na at excited na raw siyang ayusin ang kanyang buhay. Magbabagong buhay na nga matapos nga ang kanyang much-deserved vacation sa Brazil ng almost 2 months. Ito nga ang nasabi ni Priscilla sa kanyang live video.
During these almost 2 months, actually, if I counted back, it was what, 40 plus days? 45, 48? Kasi umalis ako ng 25th June. Bumalik ako ng August 8. Oh, sino magaling sa Met dyan? Para mag-compute ko ilang araw ako out of the country. But wow, those are epic vacation. It was really a must-waited break. And I'm excited to be back. And I'm excited to, to fix my life. I'm excited to put in things that I've, to start things that I put on hold. And I'm excited also to see people that I haven't seen so long. So yesterday during the wedding of Ted and of course her partner, I was able to see some people I haven't seen in a long while.
Marami ngang na-miss gawin si Priscilla sa Pilipinas at marami ding naiwang trabaho. At ngayon, focus na siya dito. Matapos enjoyin ang kanyang mahabang bakasyon sa tulong ng kanyang mga kaibigan, pati ang pag-aasikaso ng school ni Anechka ay siya ang gagawa.
So busog ako. So masaya ko ulit. So there. But yeah, I'm just, doing a live now from my room, from my bedroom. Planning to just, so ito yung first, live ko dito sa Pinas. So there. Outside of my window, medyo okay. Yung sky is not very clear, but medyo bright naman. So sana hindi maulan mamaya. So si Anechka, I need to, back to my mommy, mommy mode. Mommy driver, mommy lahat. So I need to make sure that Anechka goes back to school, that she is, well prepared and everything is settled so that she can go back to school. And sana po, okay yung jet lag niya. Pero yan. Gigising ako na 5 a.m. today, but I slept around 11:30. Tapos gigising ako na 5 a.m. I try to go back to sleep, hindi kaya. Gutom ako sobra. So yun. So, na-supermarket na ako. Kasi walang food sa bahay. So, na-breakfast na kami. So yun. So, I'm gonna be meeting some friends later in BGC.
Makikita nga kay Priscilla ang pagiging hands-on sa kanyang nag-iisang anak. Sinisiguradong maging maayos ang pagbabalik nito sa eskwelahan. Ang mga gamit nito. Back to pagiging driver ulit. Inaalala nga lang ang jet lag ng anak.
Kasi na-miss ko sobra. And tsaka medyo masakit yung likod ko sa mga karga na mga super heavy na malita. Kasi mag-isa ako, diba? Ako yung mag-pack, ako mag-karga. So, yun. So, I'm so happy to see you guys, to be in the same time zone as most of, Good morning, Philippines! Look who is back! Guys, I just got back yesterday from the US. And I needed to attend a wedding of a friend, of a co-mom, right after I arrived. So I'm jet lagging, obviously. I'm very tired. But I'm very happy to be back. When I arrived, it was raining. The weather was not good. Nevertheless, I'm excited to be back. And I'm looking forward to a lot of things, including...
Umattend nga ng wedding si Priscilla pagkadating pa lang sa Pilipinas, kaya super pagod daw siya. Masaya siya sa kanyang kaibigan na ikinasal. Kasama niya dito si Navina Morales. Hindi nga spotted na kasama din si Jan Estrada sa kasalan.
But one of the things that I'm very happy with is that before I was not so sanay to do lives and a little bit conscious about my life. So what happened is the feedback from you guys from my lives during my traveling was really good and the numbers are really nice. So I'm very glad to announce that I'm gonna be doing a lot of more lives, and I promise to commit to my lives to you guys so that we can keep in constant touch. And aside from that, of course, mga vlogs natin. So, meron ko marami excited vlogs na schedule ko even before I left going to the US and Brazil. So, I'm excited to resume them because now I can, I don't have restrictions kasi na 4 months ako na surgery. So, my surgery was last April. So, during the time, I need to put on hold a lot of my plans for mga vlogs. I have like a self-defense vlog that we're planning. I have like a vlog with a very famous designer. I have, of course, the mga food vlogs, workout vlogs. So may marami na exciting talaga vlogs para lalabas natin, para resume natin yung mga plans natin. Of course, and iba-ibang guests na pwede pumasok sa vlogs natin na mga love nyo. So, yon. And then, of course, meron ko still some vlogs that I haven't released. Makeup vlogs that we're gonna be resuming soon.
Patuloy nga raw si Priscilla sa paggawa ng kanyang video at mas dumami pa nga ang kanyang mga fans. Medyo talkative na nga si Priscilla at sanay nang makipag-usap sa mga ito. Tuloy ang buhay nga kahit maraming problemang pinagdadaanan. Hindi naman nga tumatanda ang itsura kahit maraming ang stress sa buhay ngayon.
New things to come. And of course, today naman, I'm gonna sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna try to rest as much as I can kasi sa Monday, start lahat eh. Diba? Babalik na, may ibang school na babalik na sa eskwela. Of course, yung iba naman, starting Monday. So, prepare ko din yung sarili ko kasi ako yung mommy driver. So, yung traffic on Monday. So, medyo kailangan ko ma-prepare yung sarili ko kasi grabe talaga. Na-start na pala gagaling ako sa airport yesterday. Buti naman, my flight, landed very early in the morning. Pero may traffic na, tsaka it was umulan siya.